Atongoria aya aria makoretwo magitabania micemanio kaunti-ini cia Kitui na Makueni umuthi mauma guikara mwena wa Mavoko kaunti-ini ya Machakos kuria marutire kiria marauga ni murugamo wa ruriri rwa Ikamba-ini.
Regretting the years that we have stayed in the opposition and desirous and committed to return our community back to government.
Marauga monete ni wega maige ngurani ciao cia kiuteti thi mabe meciria iguru ria miturire ya thutha-ini ya matura mao na ciana ciao.
We are young, our father, we have our kids, we have families, we care about our families, we care about our kids, we care about the future generation.
The time has reached when all leaders, regardless of their parties, from Ikamba-ini come together.
Nakubali kungojea ati 2022. Hapana, ngoja yaumiza matumbo. Tunataka kuwa ndani ya serikali saa hii.
Nimanogete atongoria aria mari ngwataniro-ini ya NASA kuuma gicigo kia Ikamba-ini makiuga matigirire matwara irima makionaga.
Mama, tunakuheshimu sana, lakini kura ya Uhuru Kenyatta itapatikana Ikamba-ini. Tumuonyeshe kwa mikono akiwa mahali pale hako.
Marauga ni monete wira uria thirikari ya Jubilee yerutite mwena wa Ikamba-ini na nikio makuruta wira makiria ma uria mararutite hau kabere niguo kura cia President Uhuru Ikamba-ini cikongerereka.
Grateful to the Jubilee administration, which for the first time in the history of Ikamba-ini has undertaken major development projects in the region, including Konza Technology City, Thwake Dam, Kibwezi, Kitui Highway, the Mombasa Dual Carriageway.
Kuuma haha gikundi giki kiria kire rungu rwa mwonjoria Lee Muthoka meranĩire kũrika matura-ini kuhunjia ngumo ya thirikari ya Jubilee na itanya rĩa gutigirira President Uhuru ni akaiyukia uhotani tariki 17 mweri-ini ukite wa 10 handu-ini ha Inooro TV. Retwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.